Do you want to see that? I danced earlier, guys. That's my IG. You know, my IG has a lot of video, picture, yeah. And I'm more active in IG. I'm just active here when I'm live. I'm live. I'm live. I'm live. Ay, bait naman. Hmm. Hello, P. How are you, P? Guys, I have to end, ano ba English na maaga? Early. Because I have school tomorrow. We have a reporting again. Because, I'm a eduk student. So, yeah. I have reporting tomorrow. And I'm so nervous. I'm not reviewing yet. Huh. Hello. Hi, guys. How are you all? I hope you all fine. Like pineapple juice. Pineapple juice. I hope I hope you all fine like pineapple juice. Hi guys, wait lang. It's a kissy pa me. Ba't parang ganun? Nag-iba yung ano? Pero okay na naman siya. Baka nag-iba lang ang mata ko. Right? Hi, hi. Guys, do you think my eyelashes suit my face? Oh, do you think shoot in my face pala? Yeah. Dance muna. Bigay ka muna ng summer, magda-dance ako. Chimama moda, kamina mana, humana mama, mama, mama. Skin ko pa rin ang TV ko. Do you want to sing? Do you want to see me singing, guys? What do you want? I don't want to dance eh. So, ingay eh. Bunso, yup. Hi. Tinalala. Hi guys. Masyado akong naaaliw sa boy-boy ngayon ah. Tananana, tananana. Napapagaya na ako kay Ate Lyra. Ano? Buti hindi pa nawawala yung ano ko, guys. Yung ano ko ba?